How is it going? I hope that everything is going well, good and fine. This is Dishita ma'am and today we will be learning grammar. Chapter number 27. Yes, because chapter number 24 के बाद 25 और 26 चैप्टर हमने ऑलरेडी कर लिया था PA2 में. तो अब हम करेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 27, that is subject and predicate. So open your textbook. Let's see first its learning objective and then we proceed towards its explanation portion. So let us see its learning objective. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define the term subject and predicate as the two parts of a sentence. You will also be able to define a sentence. You will able to identify subject and predicate in sentences. So, are you all ready? Let's start then. Review. Let us first revise what is sentence. So, little learners, a sentence is a group of words that make complete sense by itself and does not depend upon another word or group of words to do so. Sentence जो है वो एक group of word है. ओके जो कंप्लीट मीनिंग बताता है, कंप्लीट मीनिंग दर्शाता है. यानी एक सेंटेंस, एक जो भी लाइन है वो कंप्लीट मीनिंग जब बताती है तब हम उसे सेंटेंस का नाम देते हैं. Alright, and it does not depends upon another word or group of word to do so. Now let's see more about subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. A sentence can be divided into two parts. One is subject and the another one is the predicate. Alright, अब subject क्या है? तो सब्जेक्ट वो पार्ट होता है सेंटेंस का जो हमें किसी के बारे में बताता है. या सपोज कोई किसी के भी बारे में, कोई पर्सन या कोई चीज़ के बारे में जब हमें सेंटेंस का जो पार्ट बताता है दैट इज सब्जेक्ट. सो द पार्ट ऑफ अ सेंटेंस दैट स्पीक अबाउट समबडी or something is called the subject, whereas the subject names the person, place, animal or thing we are talking about in a sentence. जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं सेंटेंस में वो होता है subject. Now predicate क्या होता है? तो the predicate refers to the part which tells us something about the subject. Predicate हमें subject के बारे में बताता है, जबकि subject हमें किसके बारे में बताता है? Speak about somebody or something. The predicate contains the verb. और predicate में क्या होता है? Verb होता है. It contains verb. Alright, now open your textbook. Page number 108 and let's see some examples of subject and predicate and let's learn more about subject and predicate from our textbook. So open your textbook, page number 108. Come to page number 108, chapter number 27, subject and predicate. So learners, a sentence can be divided into subject and predicate into two parts. The subject tells us who or what the sentence is about. किसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं वो हमें subject बताता है. And predicate tells us what the subject does or is. Subject क्या कर रहा है या subject क्या है. Subject के बारे में बताने वाली चीज़ predicate के नाम से जानी जाती है. Now subjects. See the very first one. Harry likes to draw pictures ऑफ द सन। ये एक सेंटेंस है। अब इसमें हैरी जो है वो क्या है? सब्जेक्ट है। ऑलराइट, एंड लाइक्स टू ड्रॉ पिक्चर्स ऑफ द सन क्या है? प्रेडिकेट है, क्योंकि प्रेडिकेट हमें बता रहे कि हैरी को क्या पसंद है, यानी सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बता रहा है। और सब्जेक्ट हमें बता रहा है कि किसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं। तो इट्स अ सब्जेक्ट, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हैरी likes to draw picture of the sun, so it's a predicate. Now the bicycle need new tire. Here we are talking about a thing, that is bicycle. So that thing is, the bicycle needs new tire. Now needs new tire is predicate, and whereas the bicycle is subject. Now we are planning a picnic in the park. Here we is what? Subject. Are planning a picnic in the park is what? Predicate. Now let's try to do the textual exercise for our better understanding. See question number 1. Underline the subject in the sentences. Meera brought a new pair of shoes. तो इस क्वेश्चन में सब्जेक्ट क्या है, किसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं? वेरी गुड, मीरा के बारे में। और हमें अंडरलाइन क्या करना है? सब्जेक्ट। तो अंडरलाइन कर दो मीरा को। उसके बाद the street dog barked all night. Here we are talking about whom? The street dogs. So please underline the street dogs because it's subject of the sentence. And barked all night is predicate. Now he called his parent after the movie. ही इज व्हाट? किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? ही के बारे में। तो सब्जेक्ट क्या हुआ? ही। अंडरलाइन कर दीजिए। द बीज आर बजिंग अराउंड द फ्लावर. Yes, here we are talking about the bees. So please underline the bees. Then see the next one. And the next one is, the students studied hard for the exam. Here we are talking about students. Yes, so it's a subject. So we will underline the students. Done, little learners? Very good. Now please come to page number 109 for exercise number 2. Everyone came to page number 109. सब आ गए पेज नंबर 109 में? Very good. Now let's see. Underline the predicate in these sentences, and one has been done for us. In this exercise we need to underline the predicate. इसके पहले वाली एक्सरसाइज में हमने सब्जेक्ट में अंडरलाइन किया था, इसमें हमें प्रेडिकेट में अंडरलाइन करना है। ऑलराइट, सो चलो करते हैं। आई बिल्ड अ सैंड कैसल ऑन द बीच. आई बिल्ड अ सैंड कैसल ऑन द बीच. आई क्या है? सब्जेक्ट. वेयर इज बिल्ड अ सैंड कैसल क्या है? ऑन द बीच. बिल्ड अ सैंड कैसल ऑन द बीच क्या है? Predicate. Very good. Now see the next one. Our school is the best in town. Our school the best in town. Here we are talking about our school, and is best in the town is what? Predicate. So please underline is the best in the town. And then come to question number C. The children played till last evening. The children played till late last evening. Here we are talking about the children. Here we are talking about the children. So it is what? Subject. And played till last evening is what? Predicate. Please underline. Played till last evening. Jeff is going to act in a movie soon. Jeff is what? Subject, as we are talking about Jeff. So जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं या सेंटेंस जो हमें बताता है कि किसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं वो क्या होता है, वो पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस सब्जेक्ट होता है. तो जेफ जो है वो क्या है? सब्जेक्ट है. वेयर एज इज गोइंग टू एक्ट इन द मूवी सून क्या है? Predicate. So please underline is going to act in a movie soon. And now come to the last one. The weather is hot and humid. Here we are talking about weather. तो weather is subject और weather कैसा है वो कौन बता रहे हैं हमें? Predicate is hot and humid. So please underline is hot and humid. And then come to question number 3. Match the subject with their predicates to make complete sentence. Question number 3 is your homework. आपको क्या करना है? सब्जेक्ट को प्रेडिकेट से मैच करना है. Alright? So this matching is your homework and one has already been done for you all. That is the dog. The dog barked at the squirrel. Now red. The red is my favorite color. Then the little girl is crying because she fell down. So this exercise is your homework. Alright? Now it's time to revise what we had learned today. So little learners, we had learned about subject and predicate. And the very first one which we had seen is what is a sentence. तो हमने देखा था कि सेंटेंस जो है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड दैट मेक कंप्लीट सेंस बाय इटसेल्फ. Alright, and does not depends upon another word or group of words to do so. And subject and predicate is a part of sentence. Where we had seen there are two parts of sentence, or a sentence can be divided into two parts, the subject and the predicate. Now, what is a subject? The part of a sentence that speak about something or somebody is called the subject. Or the subject names the person, place, animal or thing. Alright, we also talk about it in sentences. Alright, now here also there is a definition. The subject tells us who or what the sentence is about. किसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं वो हमें कौन बताता है? The sentence. जैसा कि हमने फर्स्ट में देखा था, Meera bought a new pair of shoes. Here we are talking about Meera. So Meera is subject. Here we are talking about Harry. Harry likes to draw picture of the sun. So Harry is what? Subject. Alright, and then next comes predicate. तो प्रेडिकेट वो होता है बच्चों जो हमें सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बताता है या सब्जेक्ट के बारे में जानने में हेल्प करता है. सो द प्रेडिकेट refers to the part which tells us something about the subject, and don't forget that it contains the verb. Yes, it contains the verb, as here Harry likes to draw pictures of the sun. Here likes is what? Verb. So predicate contains verb also. Alright. Now we had seen subject and predicate. And it's a part of sentence where subject tells us who or what the sentence is about. And predicate tells us what the subject does or is. Alright? So I hope that you all understood today's concept, and if you face any difficulty for this topic, chapter number 27, subject and predicate, you can ask me, and your homework is question number 3 of page number 109. I hope you all understood today's concept nicely, and that's all for today. See you all with the new chapter, with the new topic, and keep studying, keep smiling. Thank you and namaskar.